Hello and welcome into this Greenfoot pack. This is just a quick introduction of what this pack is about. This pack will be covering the WJEC Greenfoot example, typically seen in Unit 2. Within this pack there are 4 videos, one startup showing how to create a world and also how to add objects into the world, one movement video showing how to add random movement and also add movement in directions such as the arrow keys. The third video adding functionality such as collision and object removing, and also how to add sound effects. And finally the fourth video showing how to add a counter and how to make the counter function and work within your game. I've also added the last video covering debugging, just showing some common errors which I see quite a lot of students coming across. Also within this pack I've included an example question, so after watching all 4 videos, give this one a go and see if you can get full marks on the questions. Make sure when you're done to do the quiz at the end so that you can record your progress.